Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change Steam region. All right, so let's begin with the video. For the first method, you can do this by using a VPN. That's one option people usually try. Simply connect to a location, then completely close Steam, even from the background. Then open a Steam, then you should see your region has changed. Now, for the second method, you want to click on your Steam profile in the top right corner. From there, click on Account Details, and once the page opens, make sure you're on the Account Details tab. Next, look for the option that says Update Store Country and click on it. When this page opens, Steam will explain that if you've moved to a new country, you can update your store country settings here. However, to do this, you'll need to complete a purchase using a payment method from the new country you're currently in. Once you've made your first Steam purchase with a payment method from that new country, you can come back to this section and change your Steam store country from here. And that's it. So that's basically how you can change Steam region. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.